Neither Possible Finance nor Klover promises approval simply because you have bad credit. Both apps evaluate eligibility using their own requirements, and neither guarantees that a lower credit score automatically means approval or denial. By the end of this video, you'll know how both services evaluate applications, what matters beyond your credit score, and how to improve your chances of qualifying. If you're comparing these two apps because of bad credit, the first thing to understand is that eligibility is based on more than one factor. Your linked bank account, account activity, identity verification, and other information requested during the application can all influence the decision. Possible Finance is designed to review your application using its own approval process instead of relying only on a traditional credit score. During setup, you'll connect a supported bank account and provide the information required to determine your eligibility. Meeting the app's requirements is what matters most, not simply whether your credit score is high or low. Klover also determines eligibility using information connected to your account. After linking your supported bank account, the app reviews your information before deciding whether you qualify for an advance and what amount may be available. Like Possible Finance, approval depends on the app's internal requirements rather than one single financial metric. That means neither app can honestly be called better for bad credit for every person. One user may qualify for Possible Finance but not Klover, while another may have the opposite experience using similar financial information. The outcome depends on your individual account rather than a universal approval rule. If you want the best chance of approval, focus on the parts you can control. Connect the bank account you actively use. Make sure your banking information is current. Complete identity verification promptly, and avoid submitting inaccurate or incomplete information. These steps help either platform review your application without unnecessary delays. It's also smart to compare more than approval alone. Review repayment terms, available transfer options, customer support, and whether your primary bank works well with the app. The easiest approval isn't always the best overall financial choice if the service doesn't fit your needs afterward. Here's the key takeaway. Possible Finance and Klover both use their own eligibility process, and neither guarantees approval for applicants with bad credit. Your financial information and account eligibility matter much more than choosing one app over the other. Your next step is to verify that your bank account information is accurate before applying and compare both services based on eligibility, repayment options, and overall experience instead of expecting guaranteed approval. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more honest financial app comparisons and practical troubleshooting guides.